What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are changing some struts. So these are the ones that are on now, and these are the ones that are going on. Pretty simple. These are Tesla Model 3 front lift pneumatic hood sports. So basically what these are going to do is automatically lift up the frunk. And I also have some for the trunk. So instead of this being like that when it pops, it's actually going to lift up like that. I know that one did it kind of there, but I have to give an assist. I want to click the button and have the whole entire thing open up automatically. So this should be pretty simple. All we need is a flathead screwdriver and the struts, apparently, according to the instructions. So let's get right into it. Now, since I am taking these out, safety first, guys. You want a solid support system in the event that this hood falls. And I always have a trusty burr. Alright guys, got it installed. We're gonna see how it looks. Alright. Works pretty good. Comes up definitely fast and closes perfectly. Now I will admit it is a little harder to close, but obviously there is more pressure on there. Not a big deal. Pretty much going to do the same thing now, just to the backs. And it's the identical process. So you have the top part, which just has a little latch you undo, and the bottom part is just a ball and socket joint. Pop it off. So yeah, I'll give you a little closer look though. Whoop. So, you see over here, there's just a little clip right there. They have to stick a screwdriver under and pop it, and then it pops out. And then that one is literally just a ball and socket. It just comes right out. And then you just pop the new ones in. So let's get to it. Good? Alright, there's even a button down here. There we go. Alrighty guys, thank you for all you who watch these videos. I'm going to continue them. A few more things I want to do with this car, so definitely stay tuned for those. Link will be in the description or on the screen whenever that comes out. If it's already out, go ahead, click there, watch the next part. But anyways guys, I will catch you guys in the next one. Oh yeah. See you guys later.
Oh, hello there.